Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is 10 years out from 500 FUEs on a guy that's my age who wears a true buzz cut.
Yes, he wears it like extra super short.
And he and I discussed back in 2009 and then again this year that why didn't he just grow his hair a little longer? We do 2,500 or 3,000 grafts on by strip. And he was almost there this time, but then chose to do another. We did this year 700
FUEs, yeah.
So here is this fellow 10 years ago, and he's got thin hair over his front third, but there were some patches that were just bothering him. So we did those with these 500 FUEs, and then I saw him at 5 days. Here's a picture of him. He was at my house helping me with something, and his donor sites are all healed up. And then I saw him at 5 months. And then he fell off the planet, and he showed up at 8 years, and here he is. And here's a close-up of his donor area at 8 years, and you can't see squat. And those were 1 millimeter or 1.1 millimeter punches. That is a buzz cut. That's as short as you can get that thing. That's what she said. And and then this. Couple weeks ago, we did 700 more FUEs. Here's this donor area, and we essentially worked around what we'd done before. And he
loses his hair in patches.
And he came in at 2 weeks out, and here's this donor region now after one set of FUEs 10 years ago and one set 10 days before or 12 days before.
That's great.
And you really can't see anything. So I know I have lots of videos where Wendy and I talk about strip is the way to do. But this is the perfect guy for FUE. He wears a buzz cut. He's got good hair to work with. He's got a limited need. He's the perfect candidate.
Yes. So when patients come and they ask and they say I want FUE, if you have a good donor area and if FUE is doable, we'll do FUE.
Yeah. No doubt about it.
But if you come in and if you want FUE and we look at your hair and it's thin and it's weak and it's like, you know what, you're not a good candidate for FUE. Really,
go let somebody else do it and then we'll fix you. That's my philosophy on it.
But it's not, but really, I'm just trying to be honest and tell you, what would work best for you.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, it's your decision. And we did a guy, he was a good candidate for a strip, but he decided he wanted to do a FUE last week.
Yeah.
And we did a FUE.
Yeah.
So we did hits the triangles.
Yeah.
For FUE.
Came in from out of town.
Yeah.
So the bottom line is, if you're thinking about getting a hair transplant done, do a bunch of research. Come see us. Come see some other people, but see the kind of hair that you got to work with and see what the choices are. If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.